Young scientists have been busy the past few months building their life-sized robots. Today, they get to show them off in a massive competition. King 5's Christy Johnson is live at Qwest Field in some really bright digs there, looking good, and also getting fit at the same time. Nice.
Yeah, I'm glowing this morning, Meg. I just feel like I'm glowing. It's a great morning. We are live this morning at Qwest Field Event Center for the true March Madness. It's March Madness for the robotics world. There are 100 robot teams here. Some of the teams have up to 20 kids on them, all competing for top honors in robotics. This is the first robotics competition. And Ruben, what is the first robotics competition? Why are you guys here?
We're here because we compete every year. There's a new challenge given by FIRST, which is a robotics group. And we come as a school and we build a robot and compete.
Okay, now you guys are from the Tacoma School District.
Yes.
And you guys are all about keeping it green. So anybody out there with a robot, this is how you keep it green and sustainable. Tell me about what your design is.
So for the bike, we decided that, since there's so many teams here this year, there's a lot of wasted energy happening.
Totally.
So we said, well, let's find a way to clean it up. As for our robot, it's a simple lift design with a small arm at the end, and we decided to make it, as simple as possible so there would be no malfunctions, but efficient so we can do well.
I love that. I love that kids are getting on this bandwagon of making the Earth a better place and reducing your carbon footprint. High five, brother. Now, you guys get a new mission. Look at me. I can totally do this with no hands.
There we go.
Love it. You guys get a new mission every year.
Mm-hmm.
So how long do you have to design this?
We have about 6 weeks, each time to design and then build our robot and ship it here.
It's a total collective thing between your whole team.
Yes, and our team actually this year is made up of 3 schools. It's Tacoma School of the Arts, Science and Math Institute in Tacoma, and Stewart Middle School.
All right, let's go take a peek at your robot. This is Team Sodabots, everybody. Let's go sneak a peek at their robot here. And again, tell people at home what the competition is later. We're kind of right now in the NASCAR pits of the robot competition. This is where you guys kind of fine-tune everything.
Yes.
Now, what's the competition that you're using this in?
So this year we have to be able to pick up pieces of the FIRST logo and then hang them on racks that go up to about 9.5 feet tall to form the logo, and we get points depending on where we put the pieces and which order we put them in. And at the very end of the game, we're supposed to be able to deploy a miniature robot to climb a pole.
Oh boy,
yeah.
We're deploying miniature robots too, Meg. This is actually super, super cool. These kids are super smart and they come up with this stuff all on their own. It's amazing really down here. There's like hundreds of kids out here that know how to build robots.
Yeah, I would not be one of those kids. I wish I was that smart.
I know, me too. I'm just the energy provider on the bike today.
You look great though. Yeah, some good energy, Christy. Thank you.
Yeah.
Next, a free health screening for women, plus a few things parents should know before allowing their teen to